Alright, number 11. What is... now my twin son's yelling. Could you quiet him down? What is the value of the expression below? So you have the square root of 7 brought to the 4th power. So let me write that down. Square root 7 brought to the 4th power. So how would you approach this? Well, just remember what bringing to a power does. It means I multiply it whatever amount of times the exponent says to multiply it by. So this is actually the square root of 7 times the square root of 7 times the square root of 7, and write that out 4 times. Now what you have to realize is anytime I have the square root of something multiplied by the square root of the same something, that's going to give me the number inside, or just 7. If you have trouble seeing it, here you go. Let's take the square root of 9. The square root of 9 multiplied by the square root of 9. Well, the square root of 9 is 3. Same thing as 3 times 3, or 3 squared. 3 times 3 is 9. And there you go. That's why these are both 7. And when I multiply 7 times 7, I get 49. So that's the answer to what the square root of 7 to the 4th power equals. Let's look at the next one. Number 12. What is the slope of the line represented by the equation below? So this would be pretty easy if that equation was in the form of y equals mx plus b, or slope-intercept form, because that m would stand for the slope, but it's not. I can basically use algebra and manipulate this problem so that it looks like y equals mx plus b. So let's do that. So it was 3x. Oh, whoa. Yeah, if I write in a certain place on this, like certain places I write on this pad, it doesn't like. So 3x plus 2y equals negative 8. Yeah, negative 8. So from here, I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. And when I subtract 3x from the left side, the 3x cancels out. And write minus 3x over here, minus 8. I'm putting it right here because it's closer to the form of y equals mx plus b. And it doesn't matter whether I write it after the 8 or before the 8, as long as I carry the signs on both those numbers. From here, I have 2 times y, so I want to get rid of the 2, so I divide by 2 on both sides, each term. That gives me y equals negative 3/2 x minus negative 8 divided by 2 is 4. So my slope would be this negative 3/2 here. Let's look and see if that's an answer. And choice B is negative 3/2. Surprise! Not really. Number 13. What is the value of the expression below? So you have 2 times the absolute value of 9, subtract 27, and the close absolute value symbol. Let me grab a new piece of paper. It's kind of weird that I'm using paper to do something digital, but look at it again. So I have 2 times the absolute value of 9, subtract 27, close absolute value symbol. So treat the absolute value symbol just like you would parentheses. You multiply, or you do whatever on the inside first, and then after that you multiply this outside number. So I'm going to take 9 subtract 27. 9 subtract 27 is negative 18. I have 2 on the outside. But the absolute value of negative 18 is 18. I wrote multiplication, so I'm left with 2 times 18. 2 times 18, that's 36. That's my answer. See if they have it. Yep, choice C, 36. Alright. Thanks for watching.